All right, Sunday morning. So that's that box of computer junk from yesterday. So today I've got these two interiors out of some old circuit breaker panels. Now this main bus unfortunately isn't copper, but these fingers are all copper. Number 2 copper. So I'll take those out. I got a bucket of those going on. I've got these chunks of bus bar. Again, these are plated copper, number 2 copper. And then I got this big old 800 amp circuit breaker. This thing's about 50 years old, give or take. Almost as old as I am. Not quite though. So the best part about this, it's got these copper bus bars. Let's take one off here. Unfortunately, there was one that was loose. Oh yeah. So that's 3 or 4 pounds right there. Now, unfortunately, the rust inside the breaker appears to be aluminum, so that's a setback. But it's a little on the tight side. One-headed scrapper. Screws always go down in there. All right. So it's probably a solid 3 pounds anyways. Try this again. Ouch. Yeah. Apparently that's not recommended. Yeah, one sec here. It's going to be a two-handed job. Okay, got that one off. A bit disappointed about that. Well, still works for me. So that's it's probably 6-7 pounds at least. It's probably more, but conservative estimate. Okay, so like I say, it's a bit disappointing that is aluminum. Usually on these older breakers, 99% of the time that is copper for sure. A little bit of brass in there. Maybe some silver, those contacts are silver. Like I say, unfortunately, the rest of the internals are all aluminum. Yep. Oh well. Just depending on whether to even take it apart to get those contacts. Well, like I say, that's disappointing, but the bus more than made up for it, so. Okay, I'm going to finish taking all this apart, and then I'll probably weigh it and show you what we got. Alright, so I got this all processed. That's junk. A little bit of aluminum bus, I'll throw that in the aluminum pile. This breaker I'm not even going to bother with, I'm just going to chuck it. There's about 50 cents worth of brass in it, and silver contacts are not huge, so not worth the effort to take that all apart. But let's see what we got for all this copper bus. So where's it? 3.4. Try and fit it all on somehow. $12.1. $15.7. Yeah, so those breaker fingers were a little over 3 pounds, as I suspected. I've been smarter to put a tub on the scale and zero it out, but oh well. We got her now. So 16.5 pounds, number 2. Now I don't know what number 2 is going for down at the good yard. Mainly because nobody's been taking any copper in lately. Rumors copper might go up this month, but who knows. But my guess right now is number 2 down there is probably going for $3.50 a pound. So 16.6, that would be 54, 825. Yeah, about $60 sitting right there in that little pile. I'll take it. So I think what I'm going to do next, now it's hot and smoky out here, so I might have a cool drink first, but then I think Brownie Dog and I, where's Brownie? Brownie! Brownie! There he is. Hey boy. So he's starting to get a little bit more mobile, his legs healing up there, and he's able to put more and more weight on it, so gotta make sure we take him out for walks every day. Right, Brownie? Yeah, so I think, like I said, I was going to take this metal and this breaker up to the recycle yard. Put this copper in with the rest of the stash. And that's it. We'll see you all later. Have a great weekend.